Welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Uniswap to Bitget wallet. First open Bitget wallet, then from here go to the Discover. Now from here you'll find a search bar, tap on it, and from here search for Uniswap, and here it is. You can just tap on it, and from here just scroll all the way down, and I hear this acknowledge, and just simply tap on this confirm button, and here you can find it will just redirect you to the Uniswap official website where you can add your account just like this. Here as you can see, it has already automatically just added my account, and it will automatically binded or linked with my account, this Uniswap account, with my Bitget wallet. So that's how you can do it. Hope you like this video. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.